Do you like Lego? I don't care.
Bruh.
I do, but since it's a keyboard channel, we gotta mix the two together. Guys, I've been waiting for this video for so long. Oh, my eye. I introduced the Kit Lilith from KBD Craft. Everybody, please clap, everyone. KBD Craft is a brand that create not only keyboard but products that are made out of Lego. And of course, they sent me this keyboard. The Kit Lilith is an updated version of the Adams keyboard. And they also have a purple keycap set instead of a gray one. You can pick either kit or full belt. And I have the full belt so that, you know. Now we're gonna unbox. Ooh, wow, we have a lot of stuff here. Firstly is the two random Minecraft figure have the Steve and skeleton one. I wish I have the pig one because I am one. We also have a pumpkin to celebrate Halloween that already passed 2 weeks ago. Then we have the Lego part A and B. 3 keycap boxes, cord cable, yay! Oh, looking nice. Stabilizers, switches, the 2 bases, manual, the PCB, foam, rubber feet, keycap, and a switch puller, and the plate. Wow, that's a lot of stuff! My mom's filming me. This is not comfortable. Normally, we wouldn't even touch the manual, but for today's video, that's how we're gonna survive. Also, I'm a very professional Lego builder, so this won't take long. First, I'm gonna assemble the figure because that's the rules of Lego. Steve. And now we're gonna follow the manual. Step 1, stabilizers. Step 2, assemble the PCB, plate foam, and the plate. Wait, what? Step 3, switches, which we have the S-square engine. Step 4, 5, and 6 is the case. That's when I run into the problem. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Doesn't fit. 1, 2, 3, 4. They measured it wrong. Okay, I'm gonna tell them that. Turned out the problem was me. Hi guys. So I figured out what the problem is. Is that you're supposed to add this little thing in, but I didn't. So. Also, I'm a very professional Lego builder, so this won't take long. Ooh. Step 7 is the gasket, which means this keyboard is a gasket mount keyboard. Also, fun fact, this keyboard doesn't use any screws. Wasn't that fun? Step 8, 9, and 10 is continuing with the case. And step number 11 is the rubber feet. You're done. Lastly, you just need to put some keycaps in. For those who doesn't know, they also have a book full of different keycap configuration. For the stock build, I'm gonna use the tea time one. May I have a cup of tea? The keycaps support Mac OS and up to TKL layout. Okay, it's nearly been a week and I've become a CEO now and I haven't talked about the design of this keyboard. So let's do that right now. So this keyboard is made out of Lego. And the cool thing about this keyboard is the Lego piece right here. Bird, I need to do my stuff. Where your Lego figure can stand, it can turn 360 degrees so you can have it stare into your soul, or lying down, or smelling your desk. Those are just some of my variation. The top is the Type-C port and it's so big that you can see whatever's inside this keyboard. And the back are just rubber feet, so back to my old me. Okay, sound test. I'm not sure if that's the best, but the fact that the stabilizers aren't loop and they doesn't sound that bad is pretty good to me. I'm impressed. I'm gonna mold this keyboard because this keyboard needs some of my magic sprinkle. To open this keyboard, you just need to take out the glossy Lego piece. For the first mode, I'm gonna do tape mode. You guys cannot complain, okay? This is the mode. Since this keyboard only have plate foam, I'm gonna add PE foam and the foam case. And the next part we need to focus on is the stabilizers. Now, only the spacebar have a little tiny bit of loop. That's not unfair at all. So I'm gonna use my magic roti. And that's pretty much it. But I'm not feeling the tea time anymore. Let's go shopping. We have peace, naughty. What kind of keycap is this? Okay, that one. Now the sound test. I think that was way better. It gives a poppy sounding profile that I don't have in my collection. For the keyboard, as a LEGO lovers, this was a wonderful experience. And honestly, at this price, I would pick the Kit Lilith over a set of LEGO because you will use it and don't just leave it there to collect dust. So if you want a 2-in-1 experience,
Don't be shy to click that link in my description.
that's pretty much it. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye!